What's up guys, it's Michaela and I'm back for another video. So you're probably realizing that the lighting is so good. That's because I just got the iPhone 8 Plus and I'm super duper excited. I'm just so you know, I'm not trying to brag. But now it's like great lighting and everything like that. So today I'm going to make some really fluffy metallic slime. But the thing is that I didn't know that you couldn't pause on an iPhone 8 Plus. Yeah, I try to think if it was plus 8 or 8 plus. So I literally only added the glue and the shaving cream already, and I forgot to get like a really good mixing tool, so I just got this crappy one, and I had to pause it to go get another tool, and it completely ended the video. So I'm sorry about that, but I have already added some glue, and I'm gonna try and mix it with this. I don't know how well this is gonna turn out. It mixes a lot better than the other one. The other one was basically just mixing the shaving cream together with the shaving cream. It wasn't really mixing it in at all. And also, look at this really cool thing I can do now. I couldn't do this on the Samsung. Look, I just switched the camera. Okay. Because I had a crappy Samsung before. It was a Samsung Galaxy S4, which is like made like 5 years ago. It was such a bad phone, and it literally just like completely broke. So, yay. Ugh. This literally hurts your arm so much. Oh my gosh. That scared me. Not even gonna lie. Okay, so it is like, it's fluffy, but it's not fluffy enough. That was not a lot of shaving cream, just so y'all know. It's barely anything. There's still a whole bunch of glue left in here, so I'm gonna pour that. It wasn't as much glue as I thought it would be. Oh well, okay. Don't feel like getting that all out. Okay. It's still kind of mixed in, like, it's not really completely mixed in yet, but, you know. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of Tide, because I really cannot find my contact lens solution. Okay, let's do this. It started to work. Like, you see that? I didn't really add a lot though, that's the thing. I should have added a lot more. Wasting time. Okay. Let's see. Add some of that. There it goes. I still didn't know what to do. I probably shouldn't have gone in with my hands yet. Just now realizing that. Okay. We're gonna definitely need more of this. That was a lot. I did not mean to put that much, but. I'm trying to like mix it, but it's like impossible. I don't know why, but it's not stretching and it's kind of scaring me. Okay, now it's starting to stretch more. Oh yeah. Not really that much though. Okay. I really hate not being able to pause it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stand up just so y'all know. This is literally like such a big slime. Oh my gosh. Ugh. That's funny. Okay. It's still kind of sticking to my hands, but. I think I overactivated it. Like, look. Yeah, I probably overactivated it a little bit too much. Ugh. Okay. Show it to y'all. It really isn't that stretchy of a slime because I overactivated it a little bit too much. Oopsie. Okay, there. But there's still a whole bunch more glue in here. So I'm hoping I can get more out of that. Oh gosh. It's so big. Like, okay. Now's the time to add I don't want to get anything on my new phone. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know if you can, well, you can definitely see it now, but there it is. Okay, I want to add this now. Crap, I forgot that it's not open. Ouch. Ow, that hurt. Okay. It is metallic. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Watch all of that. Where is it? I lost the metallic paint. I'm not even joking. Oh, I found it. Okay, there it is. Oh, that was a huge bubble. I didn't even realize that. Literally, that did nothing to it. Oh, there it is. Okay. For a second, I was like, that seriously did nothing to it. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's definitely transforming the slime into a metallic color. It's so pretty, oh my gosh. It basically looks like just, it's so hard to like explain it. It's so pretty. It's definitely gonna need more though because it's a big slime. That was a lot. She squirted it all out. Okay. So big. Oh my gosh. And there's still more. Like, still more in there. I just put it in there. I got glue on my nose. That's how much it colored it. All of that paint. I basically just added like over half of the bottle. Oh, that's what color I want the entire slime to be. So it's gonna take a while. And I really wish I could pause it. I will. Oh my gosh. This tires me out, just so y'all know. Okay, I'm gonna whip it. And just so you guys this. Oh my god. I have to go to school tomorrow. I'll tell them that I ran into a Smurf. Okay, so I'm gonna add the final paint coat thingy, whatever you want to call it. And this is basically the entire bottle. That was like the entire bottle. Okay. Oh, there it all is again. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. My hand. It's so pretty. You can't even explain like how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. That. This is the exact color that I wanted it to be. It's like this dark metallic color. And it's all over my hands though. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this will be a better phone for my YouTube channel to, you know, grow on. Like this video if you liked it. If you didn't, it's all good. I don't really care. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I usually post slime videos. And yeah. Bye guys.